Before that, local businesses in Denbighshire are teaming up with the County Council to promote a new social media campaign called Love Live Local. It's aimed at persuading people to shop on their local high street and then share their favourite products and shops online with friends and family to help boost the local economy. Our business correspondent Carol Green has been finding out how it all works.
For 20 years, Janice Deeprose's dream was to open a little shop. 3 months ago, she did it, and now she's part of the Llangollen High Street and a social media campaign encouraging people to discover more on their doorstep.
I believe in it because I think we need to support the local shops. We need to support our local communities and businesses. If you're local, you can come in, you can get what you want. You don't have to travel into Wrexham or Shrewsbury or Chester, all that, those bigger places to get what you want, and you haven't got the individual shops there.
Across the road, the owners here say small businesses have to be savvy and social to survive.
We're so used to Googling the best prices or going to the out of town.
I think that tide's already turning. I know in younger people there has been research out there that younger people actively try to shop locally. Obviously they're the people out there that are on Twitter and Facebook, and they are the kind of people that will pick up on this kind of campaign.
Shopper Emily Fox has clicked on to buying locally. Now traders want more people like her to spread the word online.
Try and go to little shops because I think it's much nicer to buy for your local shops because it keeps them going, because too many shut down. You get too many big supermarkets opening, taking all the business. Because I think a lot of stuff that gets shared on social media gets around so quick nowadays.
And that's the key. For every £1 spent in a small independent business like this one, over 50% stays in the local economy, reinvested in other local businesses.
Main thing is about helping to improve business for businesses on the high street, connecting them with more customers, getting people going in, exploring the range of shops that we've got across Denbigshire's main towns. It's a really important part of the council's strategy for developing the local economy.
In tourist towns like Llangollen, the visitor pound can make or break a business. But traders here and across Denbighshire are now targeting locals, hoping to entice more of them back to their high street. Carol Green, ITV News.